Jeff Rowe from Two Hacks Garage. Well, it's wintertime, very cold out. We're up at Kyle's Hack Shack. We're going to be doing a whole lot of really neat stuff with this 1968 Pontiac GTO. We call it the Big Green Machine. It's 462 cubic inches. It's Holley Sniper equipped, Kauffman heads. And if you look here, guys, we do have a new Holley EFI system set up. There's a reason for that. If you guys saw in the last time we went drag racing, this car runs in the 1140s. It's extremely fast, but Kyle wants to go a whole lot faster. So this here is going to be feeding a whole new engine. And not only is it going to be feeding a whole new engine, what's going to be hooked up to this is a supercharger. Kyle wants to make a whole lot of fun power. We're going to help him get there. So this is going to be a multi-part series on pulling this engine, going through it, doing what's needed to be done to make this thing one big green machine, supercharged, Holley EFI equipped. And I tell you what, guys, you're not going to want to miss this. But this video is going to be pretty simple. It's going to be just doing the basics of getting stuff out of the way so we can get this motor pulled. With that, we better get to work because I'm rambling. Those guys are ready to work. Kenny's making faces at me. Later. All right, so this video was just supposed to be, hey, why are we pulling the engine? Well, it's to make more horsepower, of course. The video was just going to be literally just getting the engine yanked out, but Kyle and I, we got a little bit ambitious and started tearing things down. So yeah, we're going to end it for the night. All we got left to do is get the rotating assembly out, do some little bit more inspections and all that. But yeah, the whole gist of this is the Big Green Machine 1968 GTO has no engine in it now, and we're going to be putting a blower on this thing, making a bunch more horsepower, and it's going to be an ongoing project. We don't have a project name for it yet, but it's going to be pretty fun. So yeah, this video was just getting an engine out of the Big Green Machine. Started tearing it down over there. Speaking of Big Green Machine, there's actually a new Little Green Machine. It's not so little. Kyle got himself a new dirt bike. He races pretty competitively, and this is a 2024 KX450. And there's another one there. That's his son's bike, and that's his, fun bike there. So yeah, that's the Big Green Machine and the whole row of Little Green Machines. With that, guys, next week, we're going to be tearing a rotating assembly apart. We're going to show you what we found and kind of go through what we're going to do later.